My name is Robert Bosworth. I'm a prosthodontist. Prosthodontist is a dental specialist who works with comprehensive replacement, missing teeth, work with dental implants, dentures, partial dentures, crowns and bridge. Graduated dental school in 1993, 37 years. I became a dentist because it fit for me as far as my interests and hobbies and my family history of medical doctors and dentists. And my dad's a medical doctor. I have a few uncles that are in the business and dentistry and medicine. I really enjoy fixing people's problems. Sometimes it's the same day, sometimes it's complicated and it takes a bit of time planning, but I like presenting them with options and then giving them a solution that works for them, customized to their specific needs and budget. I feel like Scripps Center for Dental Care is unique in that it's multi-specialty, and obviously we make a real effort to keep up with technology and the latest treatment plans and innovations, equipment and technology again. For fun, I mean, I got a lot of interest. I enjoy hiking, biking, all kinds of water sports. I enjoy working on old cars. I'm into World War II history, guns, cooking, barbecue, reading, Muay Thai, kickboxing, all kinds of different things I have interest in. Yeah, I mean, those are my interests. As far as hobbies, photography, sailing, sailboat racing, and working on cars.